Currently staying here at the Ramadan Encore Hotel, located at the heart of the city. Wake up time tomorrow is 5:30, so I'm going to catch some sleep because I'm so tired right now. So tomorrow we're going to Petit France, Nami Island, and Mount Sorak. It's going to be my first time visiting Mount Sorak, so I'm guessing that it's going to be a beautiful place there. It's going to be colder because it's, you know, obviously it's located at the mountains. So I'll see you guys tomorrow first thing in the morning, and hopefully I'll wake up early. So bye! And I'm going now to the lobby to meet up with the other people of the tour, because today we're going to Nami Island, Petit France, and Mount Sorak. We're going to transfer hotel to near Mount Sorak, and also it's my first time there, so I'm setting my expectations low, but I think it's going to be awesome there, and I'm hoping that the weather will cooperate. Yeah, we'll see you around, and this is officially the day 1 at Seoul, South Korea.
The following day, we woke up extra early and traveled north to visit Petit France and Nami Island. Even if we only have less than 5 hours of sleep, I guess we're all excited to explore South Korea. First stop, Petit France.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Renzo. Bienvenue to Petit France.
Even if this is my second visit, the vibe is different from the foliage, the crowd, and the weather. And for our lunch, Korean barbecue buffet. I mean, you can never ever go wrong with it. Nami Island is a half-moon-shaped island located in Choncheon, South Korea, formed as the land around it was inundated by the rising water of the North Han River.
So I'm finally here at Nami Island together with the group. We're following our tour guide. She will lead us to the most amazing spots here at Nami Island. It's my third time here, but it's a different vibe today because it's spring. It's cold, like 10 degrees, but it's so perfect. Spring has finally sprung here at Nami Island. The leaves have started to grow, but I think it's more dramatic here during the autumn season because everything is in red, yellow, and orange.
We continued our journey to the northeast and visited Soraksan Mountain. Aside from the giant bronze Buddha statue, the mountain welcomes us with cold winds and rain.
Okay, so now we're going to the temple. We didn't see any views at Mount Sorak because it's raining and it's foggy as well. So yeah, so much for the view. So we're now going to the temple.
Yeah, this is my favorite part of the trip, the buffet dinner or lunch. The following day, we went to Everland Theme Park and Namsan Tower.
We're here at Everland Resort at South Korea. It's 2 hours away from Seoul, South Korea. But anyway, we're going to try lots of rides here, and last week they just celebrated the Tulip Festival. So I'm so excited to try all the rides.
Everland is South Korea's largest theme park. Located at the Everland Resort in Yongin, it received 7.3 million visitors annually and was ranked 16th in the world for amusement park attendance in 2014. Along with its main attractions, Everland includes a zoo and water park known as Caribbean Bay. Everland hosts the Tulip Festival from March to April each year. At the festival, visitors can enjoy various spring attractions. As a first-time visitor at Everland Resort, I've made sure that I won't miss their safari adventure. We went back to downtown Seoul and visited one of the city's famous landmarks.
I've been here at Seoul Tower 2 years old during the autumn season, and it's really different. It's so much better because the foliage is red, yellow, and orange. Seoul is actually an all-year-round destination. You can go here during winter, spring, summer, or fall, but if I were you, you need to go here during spring or autumn when it's not too cold and not too hot.
The road shop like Innisfree, Misha, by the Telecomen, the brand name Kuboncho. So when you go to Incheon Airport, Lotte Duty Free, you can see this one, but here cheaper.
Bukchon-hanok Village is a Korean traditional village in Seoul with long history located on the top of a hill between Gyeongbok Palace and Changdeok Palace and Jeongmyo Royal Shrine.
So we're now here at Bukchon Cultural Village, but we have to be quiet because it's a residential area.
The traditional village is composed of lots of alleys and is preserved to show a 600-year-old urban environment.
We're going now to the shooting place of Goblin. It's one of the most famous area here in Korea. So this is Auntie Miggy, our very funny and witty tour guide. She takes good photos as well. Hello, Mickey. Every Saturday they have this demonstration about their current administration, but this is just normal because South Korea is a democratic country. So they're free to express themselves. Unlike North Korea, no one is allowed to talk against the government. If we're going to talk against the government, you'll die.
Yes, this is my favorite part of the trip. The alleyways of Myeongdong were capriciously cruel. In the coolness of spring daylight, shoppers strutted from shops to shops, swarming the boutiques with slogans stenciled to the glass fronts, flashing their credit cards and Korean ones in exchange for skincare products that are way cheaper than in boutique shops in the Philippines. On our last day, we went around downtown Seoul to know more about the history of South Korea.
Today is our last day here at Seoul, South Korea. We're going to the National Museum and the Gyeongbokgung Palace.
National Folk Museum of Korea is a national museum, and it uses replicas of historical objects to illustrate the history of traditional life of the Korean people. We also went to a kimchi school and learned how to make our very own kimchi. It wasn't really that hard, to be honest.
Even if this is my third time visiting this city, there are still a lot of things that I've experienced for the first time. Usually, whenever I travel with my friends or with my family, it's always DIY or do it yourself. But today, it is different because I joined a group tour, which is my first time to join a tour. Apparently, I liked it. Okay guys, these are the 3 reasons why you should join a group tour, specifically at Viaje Holidays Travel Services. First reason, it's not that really expensive. I mean, the reason why I was hesitant to join group tours when I was traveling with my friends and family is because of the price. Because I can always plan my own trip, but I didn't expect that this group tour for 5 days and 4 nights at Seoul, South Korea, it costs $775 US. But think again. It includes a round-trip ticket from Cebu to Incheon Airport. The hotel is really nice. It's a 4-star hotel. It also includes an English-speaking tour guide, which is, by the way, shout out to Auntie Mickey. She's one of the wittiest and the funniest tour guides that I've ever met. Like, seriously. She's very knowledgeable about the history of Seoul, South Korea, and I've learned a lot of things from her. Everything's covered, well, except for the travel taxes and terminal fees back in the Philippines. But then again, for $775 US, it's so worth it. Number 2. All you have to do is just to sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Well, I do remember when I was planning my trip, by just researching online, the number one problem that I always encounter is the use of public transport. Now, the good thing is I know how to read maps, but what if you're not? It is really challenging to understand the public transport of a particular city, so that's one of the challenges. But in this group tour, all you have to do is just to find a comfortable seat inside the bus and, you know, just enjoy the view and listen to the tour guide. So yeah, you don't have to worry about going around the city using the public transport, so yeah. Number 3. You meet a lot of new friends along the way. I do remember when I was traveling with my friends, we met a few people along the road. It's just a hi hellos, but this group tour is quite special because we were 41 inside the bus, so we had no choice but to be together for the entire duration of the trip. So but then again, everyone is cooperative and punctual. I think we got along together easily, so yeah, I met a lot of new friends in this trip. I think this is one of my favorite reasons on why I like joining group tours. Definitely, this is not going to be my last time to join a group tour. Sometimes, yeah, boy is quite lazy to read a lot of stuff online because he's sometimes busy, so what I'm going to do is just contact Viaje Holidays Travel Services and inquire if they have any available tours. And if I'm not mistaken, they also have tours at Beijing, China, Hainan, Japan, and also the Holy Land. So if you're very much interested to join the group tours, all you have to do is to click the link down below and follow their Facebook page.
As we neared Incheon Airport, the plane flew low overhead us, signaling that the trip's about to end. I'm thankful that I joined this trip. I met new friends, and it was a breather, something that I've always looked forward since work has taken its toll on me. They say that we should attain the work-life balance, and I'm taking it very, very seriously. Seoul, you are my comfort zone, and I will never get tired of exploring you.